Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it, and in this new page you should click once again on the profile option, and you can see here all the details about your profile. And as the last option, you will see the delete account option. You can just press on it. And now the support chat assistant will appear to you, and it will ask you if you really want to delete your account. And you should just press on yes, delete my account. And your account will be deleted shortly after. You can just also rate the support assistant with bad or good, and that's all about it. Soon after, your account will be deleted. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.